Wondershare have launched its new program, Filmora Achievement Program. In this program, all Filmora users to enjoy their video editing journey and stay motivated to grow their skills. So Filmora launched the multi-tiered Filmora Achievement Program to challenge creators to explore the entirety of Filmora. Users can earn badges by completing tasks or experimenting with new features. Share with friends or inspire your peers. Earn enough badges and users can earn exciting rewards. Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. In this tutorial, we will see motion tracking. So let's start the tutorial. Simply drag and drop your video clip over timeline. Here you can see in preview section that subject is moving. So we will track its motion. For tracking its motion, double-click on your clip and then click on Motion Tracking tool. After that, you have to move this white box over the moving subject and adjust this white box according to your movable subject. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. After adjusting it, click on Start Motion Track and wait a second. And now we will add text to it. Now link the text to motion tracking. This is the result. Thanks for watching.